Hi all, welcome to Amul Facebook Live. This is a foodie chef Swagata and this is my food blog, that is Swagata's Cooking is Heavenly. So आज का मेन्यू है 3 type raita. So you know that raita means I will prepare things with curds. This is fresh curds from Amul. Some other ingredients like onion, green chilies, red chilies and red chili powder. I will use some lemon. This is curry leaves or curry patta. Some bundi, dried bundi. So let's start the show. Actually I thought गर्मी बहुत है. This is summer time. So raita will be very comfortable food. You can have it with your roti and you can have it with chawal, that is rice. So raita is very stable food in Hyderabad and southern part of India. So and over here also in I am from Kolkata. So I actually, for my kitchen, for my house, I always prepare it because I am fond of it. So welcome to my show. This is a foodie chef Swagata from Cooking is Heavenly. Yeah, so we will do heavenly things. So what I am doing, I am cutting a brinjal. Yeah. Because this will be very different kind of raita. Okay. So now you can see, right? Just add a little salt. So I will give some mustard seed, that is राई. आप लोग हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना राई. This is mustard seeds. Lovely ma'am. Kari patta. So in hot oil, थोड़ा राई को आप थोड़ा भून लीजिए. Then you add the brinjal and then the curry leaves. And now I will add some green red chilies. Some red chili powder, some onion. many people joined. Just now who have joined, I want to say that I am preparing 3 types of raita. Yeah, dahi se mainly dahi se raita banta hai. So in summer days, raita is a very simple food. I love it and I hope you people will love it also. Yeah, this is a foodie chef Swagata. And what I am doing now, I have added some hot oil, some rye, that is mustard seeds, and then some red chilies, some onion and brinjal. When this one is going, I am just preparing this cards. You can see, you have to blend it well. And I have taken a fork, you can take a whisker. When the eggplants just be a little brownish, then you will know that it's done. ये ब्रिंजल थोड़ा पक जाए तो एक ब्राउन कलर आ जाएगा उसको, और तब आप समझ जाएंगे कि ये हो गया. Yeah, actually, I'm trying to just look that my friends have joined or not. flavor is awesome, the smell is awesome. ये करी पत्ता का जो स्मेल बहुत ही खुशबूदार स्मेल है. This is actually Mukesh Kumar ji. Welcome to my show. Actually, I am preparing raita. So raita में three types of raita I am making. So this is the first type, that is I am preparing with brinjal. Almost it's done. You can see how the color is changing. You need to just wait for this, and this is very soft. You can see. Just wait a little bit more. This is brinjal, curry patta, and some onions. I will prepare this raita, first raita with this one. Let me shift this curds to another bowl. Now it's done. I will add a little water. Add some green chilies. Red chili powder, some salt and a little lemon. Actually the lemon I am using now, this is called Gandharaj. This is a superb food because it smells heavenly. And if you add any in any dish, it will enhance the taste. So this is Gandharaj lemon, and it's you will get it in West Bengal only. So it is super tasty, and the smell is heavenly smell. So you can add any lemon, whatever you have. This is specialty of Bengal, you know. Yeah. Okay. Now I will add this one. So my first raita with brinjal and all mixes is ready. Look at this. This is looking superb now. Just you will have this raita with hot rice, or if you have chapati, it will do. So you can prepare this one. This is with brinjal, curry patta, and some onions, some red chilies. You can see it's looking great. So let me start with another one. This is done. So another one I will do with cucumber. ये cucumber और खीरा सबको मिल जाता है, और ये भी it is a cooling agent, so you can use it in raita. I need very small square pieces. Actually, from my mobile I can't see all, but welcome to my show. This is Foodie Chef Swagata. I am from Kolkata, and the journey with Amul is of 4 years, and this is a superb journey for me because basically I am also a foodie, and I have a food blog that is Swagata's Cooking is Heavenly. So this is a heavenly feeling altogether with you all, and so many friends now are following me in Insta, in YouTube, and in Facebook. You know, this is a global world, and everybody is joining worldwide, and this is the Amul show, Facebook's largest show, and I feel honored to be here with you all. Thanks for joining my show. Yeah, so next will be with cucumber. And you have to remember, whenever you are doing raita, there will be lump. You need a very creamy texture of the curd or dahi. So now I will add from the starting I have shown that how I have prepared this dahi. So I think now you know. So add a little more. cucumber, some green chilies with it, little lemon, and top of it you just put some bundi. This is dry bundi. Everybody knows what I mean by bundi. या ये मीठे का भी बनता है और ये रायते के साथ बूंदी बहुत ही अच्छा जाता है. So add some bundi. So this is खीरे का रायता, cucumber and bundi. So always put bundi at last because it becomes soggy. Whenever you are putting, just when you are serving it, you put the bundi. So this one is the second one, and the third one will be with onion. So again, some salt, red chili powder, now some water, add green chilies, now the onion. So this is onion raita. So you can make it right. Put some lemon. Now add the bundi. This is the last one. let me clean this place. Done. So this is your cucumber raita. This is with brinjal. This is brinjal raita, and this one is onion raita. So all are done. So let me clean this place. Okay, so I always tell that cleaning is a part of cooking. So whenever you are cooking, you have to clean the plates well. So whatever you are cooking, it will look good. So this is done for today's show, and let me check with my friends. Okay, I can see only 3 people. So I have to go there and check. Raghu Kumar ji, welcome to my show. Mukesh Kumar ji, Ramaben, Kavi Nidhida ji, welcome to my show. This is the raita. You can see this one is with brinjal, onion, and with some masala and with curry leaves. This one is cucumber raita, and this one is onion raita. So this is your foodie chef Swagata, and today I've done this 3 raita. You add on with anything like hot rice or chapati and have it. Write to me. You can go to Facebook and you just see that there is Swagata's Cooking is Heavenly. So you can write down over there how you have prepared this one, how I have liked my show. Yeah, many people are following me, and it's a blessing. And if you go to Insta, you will get me, and in YouTube, please do subscribe my channel. And if you have any health queries, you can go to www.psychologicalways.com, because professionally I'm a psychologist, so I can guide you out. You can read my blogs, and but I'm always a foodie. Yeah, so I love to cook and I love to be with you all. So ending today's show, take good care of yourself and join me in the next week. I'll be there with an exotic another recipe. So this is a foodie chef from Kolkata. Bye for today. Take good care. Bye. Yeah, there's 3 types of raita as I have promised. It's done. This is a foodie chef from Cooking is Heavenly, and this I'm doing the show for Amul India. So bye, take good care of yourself. Bye.